Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino, checking in on poor little Dogecoin. Dogecoin, we're starting on the daily chart. You can see it finally completed this double top a few days ago, hitting in 00430. Then moving back to rotation zone once, selling down twice, and heading lower again. Now this is not quite another double top yet, double bottom yet. This price has to come a little farther down. You know, if it gets close to this 0.0041 level, then it will be a potential double bottom, and you can map that out, remember, and go from the shortest side of the legs to the peak, and the peak was at 0.00495. So let's zoom in on the daily chart. Let's zoom in on the 4-hour chart in 1 second. The daily chart, you see this rotation zone is key resistance. If it does rally, first level of resistance now is 0.00449. Major resistance, we have the declining 50, the declining 21, right at 0.00472. Now we'll zoom in on the 4-hour and we'll take a look at these levels lower. So you can see now the rotation zone is against us. This was a classic double cross pattern. Moving averages cross up, it cannot catch on it, and then it crosses back down, then we sell off and sell off again. So if we go retest the lows, which is 0.00401, then we're looking for 0.0038950, and that's the reverse scan box from this high to the key most recent low. Then we have a cluster in about 0.00374 to 0.00377, and then the next major level, if that breaks, is 0.0034. The only reversal pattern we possibly have right now is that potential double on a daily time frame, but nothing else yet. So do not be aggressive because the rotation zone is against us in the 4-hour and the daily. Checking in on Stellar. Last time we checked, we were still waiting for this double top pattern over here to unfold, which it did, coming back up, then finally starting to cascade all the way down. Just wanted to show that because we do have another double top pattern in place. And we did have projections cascading down for the key GAN levels. I just have the new ones on there now, and we'll show you how we got those. We did trigger another double top pattern, which has 3 targets, 0.3205, which was hit, returned to the rotation zone. Have yet to hit the other 2 targets, 0.31066 and 0.3007 are the next ones lower. This could be a very, very sloppy double bottom. Let's see, I'll just put the levels on here. But again, it would have to get above this peak. And you really want these either, unless there's a lot of momentum, you really want them on a closing basis, or a breakthrough, a retest, and a rotation back up. So if this were to trigger this potential double bottom, and that would be on a close above the 0.34053892 level, you'd be looking at 0.3520, 0.3577, and 0.3635. All those targets are valid. Now, next levels down, as I said, 0.3106 and 0.3007. If we break through that, then and we hit to new lows, then we're looking at 0.2821, and that's a reverse scan box from the left-hand side high of the double top back to the swing low. Then we have a major cluster coming in at this 0.270 level. So we have the original forward GAN box from the highs back on the 28th to the lows. So that's your major cluster. Then you also have 0.2485. No real reversal patterns yet. Along with this double, we may be getting a nice divergence here if this does not tank. Now, keep in mind, we have slightly lower low in price, higher low for right now in RSI, but if this price tanks, it will drag that lower. Right now, I would not be aggressive buying it now. I wait for this double to trigger and then look to buy it because the rotation zone is against us on the 4-hour and again on the daily chart, which we'll check in with right now. So on the daily chart, you see there isn't much going on. We got the first cross rotation zone came up, tested it, now heading lower. No divergence or any setup yet because we have not made a lower low bigger than this key low, so nothing else to do. Now I can check on one more thing. Let me see. This is close to being a potential double bottom. Okay, so if we do head a bit lower, then we could have a potential double bottom here, which would take us somewhere back to the highs. So we'll map that out if it happens in the future. That's what we have for you on Stellar and Doge, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.